WRAL Investigates has new numbers tonight showing a sharp increase in calls to 988.
That's the new number for suicide prevention and the lifeline that they have for people to call. And more people are reaching out for help. WRAL's Joe Fisher reports it comes as suicides continue to rise.
The state says the number of people considering suicide is staggering, with thousands of people showing up to the hospital with self-inflicted injuries and tens of thousands calling 988 for help. At NC State, mental health is top of mind after the deaths of 3 students who died by suicide this calendar year. The state reports people 20 to 24 are the most likely to take their own lives.
Obviously, the biggest thing is the pandemic that just happened. That definitely isolated a lot of students and kind of broke down the community that they had.
State health officials say anxiety, depression, and thoughts of suicide are on the rise and fueling an increase in calls to 988. Last year, the hotline received about 3,000 calls a month. Compare that with nearly 3,700 calls a month this year, a 22% increase. In August alone, 988 received 160 calls a day, with nearly 2,000 first-time callers.
It's raising more alarms for us. I mean, we are putting more efforts into suicide prevention.
Renee Rader with DHHS says suicide is the second leading cause of death for people 10 to 18. Suicides have been increasing, up 7% from 2019 to 2021, when North Carolina had 1,450 deaths.
Certainly, we're seeing an increase of people presenting at emergency departments with self-inflicted injuries.
Back on campus, students say one thing in particular is driving the decline in mental health: social media.
Everywhere on the internet is just talking about how you should be better, or you should succeed more, or this kid's doing this and this kid's doing that and you're here. And it's just like all that pressure just makes it seem like we're not where we need to be.
And when it comes to preventing youth suicides in particular, the state is really encouraging parents and other adults to keep both their weapons and medications locked up. I'm Joe Fisher, WRAL News, Raleigh.
Now, we have compiled a list of crisis counselors and county-by-county resources for you all across the state of North Carolina. Just go to WRAL.com/get help.